In Lab 2-7, we're going to code our retail tax program in Python, and we've already coded it in Raptor, and we've done our pseudocode. So what we're going to do after you name your lab appropriately, we're going to start by defining main. The colon, and then I always put my call to main in right away so that I don't forget the call. And then we're going to start by writing our first module. Now our first module is called input sales, so we'll define that, input sales colon, and what this did is it took in monthly sales. So we do a simple input statement. And because we need that value out of here, we're going to return monthly sales. Now our call will be in main, and we must tab that over in order for it to work. And our call is simply input sales, but because we're returning a value out of it, we have to say monthly sales is equal to the call to input sales. Now what that'll do when we run our module is go down, get monthly sales, and then return back to main, at which point it ends. So our next module was called Calc County. And in this module, we're calculating our county tax. So county tax is equal to monthly sales times 2% or 0.02, and we're returning county tax out of this module. So our call in main will look like county tax, spell it properly, equal to calc county. Now, in order to calculate county tax, we need monthly sales. If I try to run this module now, I will get an error because monthly sales is not defined inside of my Calc County module. So when I look at that error, I know I must accept monthly sales down here and pass it up here as an argument into that module. Now when I run this, I have a value for monthly sales. I can put in a variable. Oh, I think I hit the wrong button there. Try this again. I can put in a value and I get no error. I get no output because I haven't coded my output. Now you're going to continue coding your modules. Make sure you tab properly, calculate state, then you're going to have a module for calculating total. Now here we need our total taxes, so we need both our county tax and our state tax, which we're calculating. And we're going to return total out of there. Then we have a module that prints our taxes, and we want to print all of our taxes and our monthly sales. If you want to print your monthly sales, you can pass that down. State tax and total tax. Now here we're just simply going to do our print statements to print our variables, and then up here you're going to have your calls. State tax is equal to calc state, and so on, and total tax is equal to calc total. But when you do your call for print info, remember this module does not return anything, so it's simply a normal call without setting it equal to anything.